Om Sri Sai Ram. Thought for the day as written in Prashanthi Nilayam on Thursday, June 14th, 2018. Islam means dedication, surrender, peace and tranquility. The Ramzan month is set apart for the holy task of bringing into memory and practicing the teachings that Hazrat Muhammad conveyed and progressing spiritually to attain unity and purity. Islam teaches that God's grace can be won through justice and righteous living. Wealth, scholarship and power cannot earn it. Pure love can please the Lord. Muslim seers emphasize that we must inquire into the validity of the I, which feels it is the body, and I, which feels it is the mind, and reach the conclusion that the real I is the self that is yearning for the Omniself God. The Ramzan month, fast and prayers are designed to awaken and manifest this realization. All religions emphasize on unity, harmony and equal-mindedness. Therefore, cultivate love, tolerance and compassion and demonstrate the truth in every daily activity. This is the message I give you with my blessings. Divine Discourse, July 12, 1983. Baba.